Listen, these devils be savages. Slim than chance with the averages.
For we are taking pains to do what is right, not only in the eyes of the Lord, but in the eyes of man. 2 Corinthians chapter 8, verse 21.
Here? My brother. Real quick, you trying to let me hold $1?
I don't have any cash.
I know you got something. Let me borrow a buck.
Just trying to go home. I don't want any trouble.
Trouble? You said I'm in any trouble. I'm just trying to borrow $1. Oh, seems like you recognize something. Yeah. Seems like you're trying to connect all the pieces together in your brain. I remember you, kid. You that kid from 2 nights ago. Let me reaffirm you something. These streets get fucking ugly. I know you're smart enough, kid, not to say anything. Not to go run your mouth. If I had a recommendation, stay quiet, move quickly, before you end up somewhere you don't want to be. Get home safe, kid. Better pray you don't see me for a 3rd time.